first 10 words your baby must know with examples. Hello sweetheart, good morning. We are gonna learn the first 10 words you must know with examples. Come on, let's start learning. The, and, a, to, said, in, he, I, of, it, the ball is blue, and, a cat and a dog, this is a cat, to, go to bed, said, he said he could swim well, in, they are in music class, he won the prize, I like ice cream, of, he ate all of it, it was a sunny day. Okay, sweetheart, we have seen a lot today, haven't we? Let's learn more on my next video. Before that, remind mommy and daddy to subscribe to this channel to get new videos update. See you soon. Bye-bye.